Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So if you've got a situation that the screen do not respond to any touches, you can try to force restart it, and you can do it just by pressing the power button, which is located right here, and volume down button together, and wait until the screen will get black. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together. We just took the screenshot, but let's pretend that nothing happened. I mean, ignore everything. And as you can see, the screen turned black. Let's wait or release the buttons. And here we've got the developer logo, so it means that after that your device will be restarted, and I hope the screen will get back to its normal state and it will work again. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset, how to force restart your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.